This fabulous vanilla cream cake is known throughout Slovenia, luscious and creamy. Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my Slovenian kitchen. Today I'm making a classic dessert from Slovenia, Kremšnita. You're going to need Phyllo dough, vanilla extract, milk, whipping cream, eggs, sugar, and flour. And to dust, you're going to need icing sugar and optional rum. So take out 4 sheets of your Phyllo dough. Grease your pans and carefully measure. By 10. Cut to size. Brushing with a little bit of butter. On the edge. Take another 4 sheets and repeat the process. Down here, butter, down, butter. Take a sharp knife and cut guidelines, but don't go all the way through. Here's the dough with the fork in both pans, and then put them in the oven to bake for 4 minutes in 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To medium pot, add 2 cups of milk and to a very low heat. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And simmer gently. Separate 5 eggs. So we're going to work with our egg yolk first. So in this, we're going to put half a cup of sugar. If you're using rum, you can use rum now. And a total of half a cup of flour. For the egg whites, 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix on high until they form a stiff peak. Meanwhile, so once it is starting to boil, we're going to add the egg mixture. But we got to continuously stir when we do that, or else it'll be scrambled eggs. Once it starts to thicken, take the electric mixer and just work out all the clumps so it's silky smooth. Your egg white and fold it in here. And slowly fold it in. It's all 1 cup of whipping cream. Add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Now add your filling. Cream on top. Spread that. Lay this on the top. Icing sugar. Just sprinkle it on top. And voila, you're all done. Now place it in the fridge for a couple of hours until it cools. That is delicious.